For example 2, what we want to do is we're still looking for shapes that we know how to find the area for, like rectangles, squares, and triangles and circles. And we want to see how many of those shapes fit in our unusual shape. And if you divide this shape up by right here, you end up with one triangle and one rectangle. And for our triangle, our formula for area will be 1/2 my base times my height. And we want to find the base and the height of this triangle. So we have 1/2. My base will also be 8 because this side right here of the rectangle is 8, and we know with rectangles the two sides will be the same value. So my base for my triangle will be 8. To find the height, what we're going to do is if the whole length, including the triangle, was 19 and the side of the rectangle was just 13, we're going to do 19 minus 13, which is 6, and that gives us just the height of that triangle. So we end up with 1/2, and 8 times 6 is 48, and half of 48 will be 24. So this is the area for just that triangle. And now we need to find the area for the rectangle. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this so it's a little bit smaller and a little bit out of the way. All right, so for my rectangle, the area formula for a rectangle is just base times height. And the nice thing is we know our height is 8 and we know our base of our rectangle is 13. So it's just 13 times 8, which gives us 104. So to find the total area, the last step is just to add those together. So we're going to do 104 plus my 24, and you end up with 128, and it is in inches, and because it is area, it will be inches squared. And that is my total area of this shape.